Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing this really super easy tomato chutney recipe with you all. I'm not the one who's making it in the video, but one of my aunts is kind enough to help me to show this recipe while I record her making it. It's just got some really simple ingredients. I hope you enjoy it. So guys, here we are adding a little bit of sugar for that sweetness, and we are going to just mix it all up and give it a nice blend. You can use a regular blender if you have a nice fancy blender like they do. You could use something like that. I just use a regular blender to mix mine when I make it. And this is really a delicious chutney with anything. But if you're familiar with things like idli, dosas, which are really staple South Indian food, you would enjoy this kind of chutney with that. Or you could just use it with anything at all, absolutely any kind of cuisine. You could add it in. Very similar to a spicy hummus, really. So, you can enjoy. This is me helping myself with my dosa. And this is my aunt. She likes to have a idli with some sambar, and which is actually a vegetable curry. And here is a little bit of that chutney. It adds a little zing to the dish, and it's absolutely delicious. So I hope you try it. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do let me know if you're going to be trying out this recipe. And thanks for watching. So take care. See you soon. Bye bye.